We all are working from home, right? And with all these new variants showing up unannounced, only God knows how long we will be trapped here. So now we all know the drill by heart: laptop, phone, and video calls. And this is how you look when you're talking on that video call.
So this is what the person you're talking to would.
Now imagine you have this marvelous idea that will change the world, but what's the point when your boss cannot even understand what you are saying? So let's game up. To improve your audio quality, we need to stop using this useless mic on the laptop. We need something which could sound better and, more importantly, clean. For that we have few options. We could use a headphone, which is big and bulky, or we can use an earphone, which won't sound that nice. So basically we need something which would have a professional grade mic without looking so bulky. So here is the item. Are you ready? Here we go. This is a product from JBL. This is their lav mic. But wait a second. This is not your regular collar mic. This was designed keeping work from home in mind. This has a mic that we can clip onto our shirt along with the earpiece that will provide us with audio. If you want to give yourself a professional look, then you can tuck it under your shirt. Inside the box, we also get a pouch to carry and some accessories to go with the mic. Also, this foam screen is removable for more clear audio. By using something like this, we will get way better audio, which would be audible on the other side of the call and will give an impression that you know what you are doing, which is quite important to know. This should get the feeling that you are not here to play around. Anyways, enough motivational speech. Let's do a quick audio test and see the difference. This is the audio quality of the inbuilt mic on the MacBook Pro 15-inch 2015 model. So this is what the person you are talking to would hear your voice. So now let's compare it with JBL. And this is the audio quality test of the JBL lav mic. So the person you are talking to would hear your voice like this. Now you have seen that it makes a huge difference. Also, the application is not so limited. You can listen to music, although it won't be much of an enjoyable experience. You can even use this attachment which can be used to connect it to a camera. So if you are on a side content creator, then this would be enough to add quality to your videos. In my opinion, if you want to improve your audio game, then definitely check this out, and you can do so from the first link in the description below. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.